I start with the greatest name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Chapter number 4, How I Practice Speaking. On Thursday, I go to school again. We have a new student in our class. Her name is Monica and she is from Italy. At the beginning of the lesson, my teacher asked Monica some question. My teacher knows Monica because Monica visited her class 1 year ago. It was a class for beginners and it was only for 2 weeks during summer holiday. Her pronunciation is very good and she is very fluent. My teacher is very happy and she tells Monka, your school is an Italy, must be very good. Monka say, I don't go to any school. I learn English at home. I use technique from you. I learn English at home. I use technique. I do a lot of reading, shadowing, and thinking, loading. The 2 weeks which I spent last summer at your class helped me a lot. You showed me the way I know how to work on my English every day. This is why I'm learning English. I want to learn from you again. My teacher is very happy when she hears these words. She thanks Monica for her hard work. It is all very interesting for me. I already knows about her, but Monica also speak about thinking a lot. I don't know what it is, so I ask our teachers what is thinking a lot. Our teacher says it is very effective. It is good also to know that for some people this technique is a little crazy, but when you start how think a lot, your English can be better very fast. I say I have a strong motivation. I don't care if it helps. I want to learn it. Can you teach us this technique? Okay, it is actually very simple. You think an English native language all day every day. It is normal now. You can speak English, and when you start to think in English, then you can think a lot. You simply say aloud what you think it is all. I say it is very simple. Why is it very effective? Our teacher says she uses this technique. Maybe she can tell more about this technique. Then our teacher asks Monica if it is okay for her to speak about her experience. She says, when I started with this technique, wasn't easy. I started with very simple sentences. For example, I can speak English. It is a good that I can speak English. I want to be better. I don't know many words, but I can use these words well. I can say my ideas with these words. I can do this. This is great. The sentence were really simple, but at the beginning there was one problem. My thinking is in Italian was long and complicated. I was not able to say in English exactly what I was saying in Italian. I needed to find a simpler form for English to think, and simple English was the hardest part, but after some time it was normal. Then something interesting happened. I met a man from Australia. He was on holiday in Italy. I was still a beginner, but we started to speak English. I could see that I was able to speak with him without big problems. My sentences were simple and short. I did not translate in my head from Italian to English. After the meeting with the man from Australia, I started to use thanking a lot more. This technique helped me a lot of in my speaking. I still use this technique. Our teacher thanks Monica for her experience with thanking a lot. I want to use this technique because I also want to be better at English. When you want to speak fluently English, think a lot. When you want to learn English, read, listen, and speak. Do each activity for 30 minutes every day. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe the channel for more videos. Press the bell icon that come all notification to you at a time. Thanks you so much.